returning subscriber, welcome back. If you are a new subscriber, welcome to the family. So today's video is going to be all about this under eye moment right here. Today's video, we just wanted to play up on the eyes, right? So I wanted to do this like teal color. It was inspired by my nails, which they turned out super cute. Like, I really like the way they turned out, but this look was inspired by my nails, and I figured, like, let's play up the eyes. Let's give the eyes their moment. A lot of times when we're doing our makeup, we're focusing on different features, and I just wanted to focus on the eyes today. So let's get into the video. Hi guys, so I've already done my base. I'm just going to dust a little bit, well, not a little bit, I'm going to dust away all of this powder except for the like that's carving out my nose contour in the middle. I'm gonna dust all that away, and we're gonna get to working on the eyes. So I've done my base many times on camera, so I figured I would just go straight in and hop right into this tutorial. I'm going to use, because I want the focus to be on like my lower lash line, and they were inspired by my nails. So because I want the focus to be on my lower lash line, I am just going to put very minimal shadow on the top on my actual mobile lid. So I'm gonna go in, and this has a little bit of the powder from me, you know, setting my face and all of that, and I'm just gonna go on my mobile lid and just kind of make sure that that's set down. And I'm gonna go ahead and put my I have this like really kind of brown shade, is closer to my actual lid color, and I'm just gonna put that all over my lid, because I wanted to give the illusion that it's blank, but I don't just want to leave it blank. So I'm bringing a little bit of warmth, and you do have the option, like this isn't my bronzer shade, but you could use your bronzer shade to do that. But I just decided to use this really pretty brown shade. And again, it's not a lot of color, but it's enough to know that it's not, you know, so it doesn't look ashen just if I would have just set it with translucent powder. So I'm just gonna go all over the lid like that. And then one thing you have to be careful of is to not build up the intensity of the color too much, unless that's the look that you're going for. But I just want the focus to be on the lower lash line, so I'm going to, you know, build it up just enough, and let's get started. So first I'm going to go in with a pencil brush like this with that same color to start the shade. So this is going to be like my transitional shade on the bottom. Then I'm going to go in with my liner, because this is going to set the stage of how I want everything to look. So I'm using my black opal liner. I need to sharpen this. I'm going to go in with this, and this is in the shade, it's their black color, but this is in the shade Blackout. And I really love these liners because they're so creamy. And I'm not sure if I want to do liquid liner at the top, or if I'm going to do just smudge that out. So that's to be determined. So I'm going to go just keep going with my look. And I'm going to go in with my Morphe M326. I really love this liner for smoking out on the bottom. I'm going to go in with the color of the hour, which is this really pretty green color, and this is from the Lisa Frank and Morphe collaboration palette. So if it's still available, I will link it below for you. and I'm going to just kind of like push that color. I feel like it just really makes a statement, and it can be so pretty. So I have that, and you know, it's cute, but we're gonna make it cuter. So I'm gonna go in with this chocolate brown color, and I'm just gonna go underneath of that to kind of like smudge it out. And I know you're like, oh, this is looking crazy, but with makeup, you have to keep going to see the final product, and don't get discouraged or disheartened when you're like, oh my gosh. You know, keep going with your look and see how it turns out. A lot of times we stop prematurely, and it could have been a beautiful masterpiece, but we got discouraged and we stopped. So we never really figure out what it could be. Okay. So I think I am going to do a liquid liner instead of, and I might smudge it up, but we'll see. Let's go ahead with our liquid liner. Focus to be on the eyes, more specifically the lower lash line. Then I'm going to go in with this smaller pencil brush. Kind of do that on the inner corner. Mascara on my top lashes. Okay, so while my lashes are drying, I'm going to take some time to put on my bottom mascara, my primer, and this is the e.l.f. No, it's not. This is the Essence Volume Booster Lash Primer. Okay, while that primer is drying down a bit, I'm gonna go ahead and finish with the remainder of my face finish with my bronzer. Okay, I'm gonna finish up my makeup, and then I'll be back. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you're new here and you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I would love to have you a part of the family. Over here, I share my videos on Tuesdays and Fridays at 12 p.m. Eastern time. So go ahead, hit subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can be tuned in when my videos go up. Also, whether you're an OG subscriber or you're a new subscriber, give this video a thumbs up. It really does help out my channel. It helps get my videos to more eyeballs, and we definitely want that. So go ahead, give this video a thumbs up, and comment down below if you have a favorite feature that you like to accentuate. I want to talk about it, and maybe we can make some videos around it to show you how to, you know, make that feature just pop even more. So go ahead and comment down below. I would love to chat with you in the comments. Also, while you're here, and again, this is to OG, new subscriber, visitor. If you're new here, go ahead and watch some of my other videos. Please keep in mind that I always link videos in my description box and relevant videos in the cards. And at the end of the video, there's always a recommendation for you. So go ahead and watch some more of my videos. I really would appreciate it. But thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah! Bye!